Hello, welcome, I'm Crow, and welcome to this short video demonstration of the sound of this beautiful shamanic drum. I'm going to use two beaters. I'm going to use a softer beater and a firmer beater. Just picked a bit of dust up there. Both give a slightly different sound texture. Hopefully you'll be able to discern the difference between the two in a moment when we play. The drum itself, 16-inch deerskin drum on a 16-inch frame. The frame is made from ash wood. It's been burned with a date of birth on the inside, which was the 2nd of December, and also there it says driftwood hollow drums. The branch handle that I've used here is from a piece of willow, from a willow tree. That's rather beautiful. And on the front here you can see we've got the runes around the outside with the Vegsvisor there in the middle. So I won't go on too much, just have a little play. And then the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, so the tonal range of this drum is, you're listening to it on probably its highest pitch. I've just tuned it before it came out here now. It does play as it gets lower as well. In fact, I could have actually done the video with it on its lowest tone, because when I went to pick the drum up, that's where it was at. It was just playable on its lowest tone. But I wanted to give you an idea of its highest tone, really, because once it's just been tuned, that's the sort of sound you're going to get to. But yeah, it will stand to be allowed to absorb some moisture to bring the tone down. Okay, all that being said, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.